Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. If you're planning to apply for a bachelor's degree and need to write a motivation letter, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through crafting a compelling motivation letter that follows the exact structure required for a strong application. This letter is your opportunity to showcase your passion, qualifications, and reasons for choosing a particular university. Admissions committees receive countless applications, so a well-structured and persuasive motivation letter can make a huge difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to include, how to present your ideas, and how to leave a lasting impression. Let's get started. Your contact information. At the top of your letter, you should include your full contact details. This ensures that the admissions committee knows who you are and how to reach you if needed. Example: your name, your address, city, ZIP code, email address, phone number. This section is straightforward, but make sure your details are correct. Any errors here could cause communication issues later on. Date. The next section is the date. This is a small but necessary detail that helps the admissions committee keep track of when you submitted your application. Example: date, March 13th, 2025. Make sure to use the correct date format based on the university's location. Recipient's information. Now address your letter to the university's admissions committee. Example: admissions committee, university name, department name, university address, city, ZIP code. If possible, include the specific department you're applying to. This ensures your letter reaches the right people. Subject line. The subject line should clearly state the purpose of your letter. Example: subject, application for bachelor's degree program name. This makes it immediately clear to the reader what your letter is about. Be sure to mention the exact program name to avoid any confusion. Salutation. Begin your letter with a formal but friendly greeting. Example: Dear Admissions Committee. If you have the name of a specific person in charge of admissions, addressing them directly would make your letter more personal and engaging. However, if you don't have this information, Dear Admissions Committee is perfectly acceptable. Opening paragraph. Stating your intentions. Your opening paragraph should clearly express your interest in the program. Example: I am writing to express my keen interest in applying for the bachelor's degree program name at university name. Pursuing this degree aligns with my academic aspirations and long-term career goals, and I am confident that university name will provide the ideal environment for my intellectual and personal growth. This paragraph serves as your introduction, so it needs to be engaging yet concise. You're setting the tone for the rest of your letter by explaining why you're applying and what you hope to gain from this opportunity. Body paragraph 1. Your academic background and interests. This paragraph should highlight your academic achievements and how they relate to your chosen field of study. Example: from an early age, I have been passionate about mention relevant field, such as business, engineering, computer science, which has driven me to excel in my academic studies. During my high school years at high school name, I actively engaged in subjects such as mention-relevant courses and participated in extracurricular activities, competitions, projects that strengthened my analytical and problem-solving skills. These experiences have reinforced my decision to pursue higher education in this field. Here, you want to demonstrate that your interest in the subject is genuine and backed by experience. Mention specific subjects or projects that deepened your interest. If you participated in extracurricular activities, competitions, or research, highlight how they prepared you for this degree. For example, if you're applying for a computer science program, you could mention that you took advanced math courses, participated in coding competitions, or built your own software projects. If it's a business degree, you might discuss leadership roles in school clubs, entrepreneurial experiences, or participation in business-related events. Body paragraph 2. Why you chose this university. This section explains why you're specifically interested in this university. Example: one of the main reasons I am drawn to university name is its reputation for academic excellence and innovation. The curriculum's emphasis on mention unique aspects of the program, such as research, internships, practical applications, aligns perfectly with my learning style and future ambitions. Additionally, the opportunity to be part of a diverse student community and engage with distinguished faculty members makes university name my top choice for undergraduate studies. When writing this part, be specific. Instead of generic praise, mention what exactly attracts you to this university. Does it have a unique teaching approach? Renowned professors? Exceptional research facilities? A strong industry connection? Including details like these shows that you've done your research and are genuinely interested. For instance, if you're applying for a mechanical engineering program, you might highlight that the university has state-of-the-art laboratories and a strong focus on hands-on learning. If you're interested in business, you could mention their entrepreneurship center or internship opportunities with global companies. Body paragraph 3. Your career goals and contribution to the university. This paragraph connects your studies to your long-term ambitions. Example: my long-term goal is to mention future career aspirations, such as become a software engineer, economist, architect. I believe that the knowledge and skills gained at university name will equip me with the necessary foundation to achieve this goal. Furthermore, I am eager to contribute to the university community by actively participating in mentioned student organizations, clubs, or research projects. This section should clarify how this program fits into your career path. If you have a specific career goal, explain how this degree will help you achieve it. Additionally, universities look for students who will be active contributors, not just passive learners. Mention student organizations, clubs, or projects you'd like to be involved in. For example, if you're applying for computer science, you could express interest in joining the university's coding club or artificial intelligence research group. If it's business, you might want to participate in case competitions or entrepreneurship initiatives. This paragraph reassures the admissions committee that you're motivated, ambitious, and ready to make the most of your time at the university. Closing paragraph, final statement of interest. Wrap up your letter by reiterating your enthusiasm and appreciation. Example: I sincerely appreciate your time and consideration of my application. I am excited about the possibility of joining university name and would be honored to be a part of its esteemed academic environment. Please do not hesitate to contact me for any further information. This final paragraph is short but impactful. You're expressing gratitude while reaffirming your interest in the program. It's also helpful to mention your openness to providing additional information if needed. Sign off. Example: sincerely, your full name. A simple professional closing is all you need here. Avoid informal closings like best regards or cheers. And that's it. You now know how to write a motivation letter for a bachelor's degree, step by step. A well-written motivation letter can set you apart from other applicants, so take your time to craft it carefully. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writing Practices, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Best of luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.